Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 29th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1429. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The Two Star Sudoku has 26 printed numbers. Is this correct? Let us check. We have here 4. Plus 4 is equal to 8. Plus 4 is 12, 13. Plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 25, we have 5 here, plus 1 is 26, so it's correct. Let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? Let me see. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. So in this column, no 2 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, so let me mark them. 7, 2. So we have a 4 in this row. A 4 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 9. In this big square, we have a 1 here. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then 3, 3, 3, 1, 9. Yeah. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column, 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes, so the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, a pair, the 1 and the 2, no, 1 we have. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8, 3 and the 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Correct. Yes. Alright, and now 8, 4, 7, no, 2, yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers, 1 of the missing numbers 2, we see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there, so we have a 2 in one of these boxes, in the last row, a 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And now. Now. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 2, the 9, and the 7. We see here the 2 and the 9, so no 2 and 9 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. 1 box left for the 7. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. These 2 boxes, the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 9 goes there. And then. 1, 2, 3. Yes. These 3 boxes in this column. The missing numbers 3, 5, and the 7. 3, 7, and the 5. We see here 3 and the 7. So in this box, no 3 and a 7. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 1 and the 4 are missing. It's a pair, so I mark them for you, 1 and a 4. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 in this big square. So we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in that row, the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 8, no, 8 we have 9 and the 4, 9 and the 4, 9 and the 4. Yes, 9 and the 4. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. Yeah, 4. 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Nope. the 2 we have 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Yes. One number left in this row for the number 2. Alright, now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 9. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3. One number left in this first row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The 9 and the 5. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Then this is a 1, alright, this is a 7. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. 8 and 1. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Oh, right. 12 minutes. Faster than the previous one. How could that be? 26 printed numbers. And the previous one has 27. Well, it depends how many pairs you have. And if you have a lot of pairs, then it will be much more difficult than usually. Yes, I'm pleased with this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute, maybe less than a minute, with the third Sudoku, a 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.